sound is very important. Without it, Pokemon wouldn't be the same. I don't care. You should. I mean, without sound, I can't do this. Shut up! See? Not only that, but my Pokemon can talk to me as well. And also, the background can really affect our mood. We could pop in different music if we don't like the current one. I don't like this song, and I don't care about sound anyways. Well, maybe you would want a more creepy approach. Oh, fuck. Not this song. Okay, I like sound. Just don't play this one. I'm glad you appreciate sound now, but I'm not changing the song. It's your punishment. Oh, and by the way, the Raticate died, and Creepy Block is starting now. I hate you. I'm going to get nightmares now. Stupid ghost and scary, creepy black shit. So hi guys, how'd you like my interaction? Yeah, so as you guessed, today's lesson is going to be about sound, importing sound, using the sound utilized within the Pokemon games, like Battle Cry, for example. Oh, the Battle Cry is delayed. Whatever. I just threw up this script as quickly as possible, and I am scared of the creepypasta Pokemon stuff. I saw a picture of one creepypasta, and then it just gave me nightmares for a week, so I am quite terrified of it, but that's not the point. The point is, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the music equipment that Pokemon and PKSV-UI gives us. So, without further ado, let us just jump straight to the script. Okay, so this is the event, as you can see. Here I have my events, and this is the script that I use. Yeah, this, excluding all these blank lines, I'd say it's about, don't know, like 10, maybe like 10 blank spots and such, so about 100, which is one of the longest PKSV-UI scripts I have written, and it did take me a while. So, if you want a copy of it, just PM me and I can show you a picture of it if you want. But anyways, today I want to show you some of the main sound features used in Pokemon. Here's a new line. We have sound plus a 0x integer value. We have cry plus a Pokemon name and the number 2. Yes, you use the number 2. That. You use the number 2. I do not know why. You just use it. All cry have 2. I think, never mind. And we have a play sound. So I'll explain the sound first since it's first. So what sound does is you play one sound file that is in Pokemon. You probably figured it out already, but the beeping sound you hear when a person shows an exclamation point, that is 15. So you use that when you make the speech say this. And then we have cry. Cry is used to hear the Pokemon's cry, obviously, battle cry. So you type in cry, the Pokemon's name, and then the number 2. If you want the cry to come before the actual script, you type in waitcry. So what this will do is it'll make the dialogue come first, and then after the dialogue closes, then you will hear the cry. So waitcry. And finally we have Playsound. This line is actually kind of glitchy for me, but what you do is you go to your header tab, right? Find the music option, and then this will give you all of the music used in the game. As you can see next to the music name, you have a 4-digit number or a hex number. So what you do is you find the music you want, you put the first 4 numbers in. So you ignore the first 0, and then you just put this. So as you can see, I did 143. So the first music you heard was intro message 1, and then I did 118. If you look for 118, you can see it's the lavender town music, which scares me at times. But so that is the Playsound feature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write 3 different scripts. We're gonna write a cry, we're gonna write a sound, and we're gonna write a play sound. So I'll make the cry one a Pokemon, so then it looks. No, it's not a Pokemon. Give me a sec. Here, we'll use MEOWTH, I guess. Even though that's a doll, but we'll use MEOWTH. I'll just type in a random number. There, that'll be the sound person. Here, that'll be a play sound, a gem. Alright, so let's start with sound. Open up PKSV. And get this, just erase that, we don't need it. What should we... I don't know what any other sound files do, so let's just check what these are. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys before, but I find this very handy, especially when you write a lot of code. If you type in /, you can put comments in your script. So this will play sound file 1. You can make comments in your script. These comments will not be readable in the game, so you will not be able to see these in the game. And I think this is a really good feature, because if you write a lot of code like my last script, it can be kind of difficult to find, like, oh, I need to find offset the talk number 27, and then it could be difficult to find that within 100 lines of text. But if you put comments like comments like talk number 27, then you can just quickly find what you need, and then just easily access, oh, talk number 27 is sound 0x2. Then you put it in where you need. So this is comment. Only the person reading the script can see the comments. So let's compile this. As you can see, when you compile the script, the comments do not show up. That's because obviously the game won't read it. Oops, wrong script. Let me compile that again. I forgot to. So we'll just. Okay, so let's just put that there. Double click. So after you compile the script, the comments are gone. So you always want to, if you ever need to make any changes, try not to don't delete your script. You can always save it. I will save this later. Actually, I'll save it now. Call sound. Alright. Okay, so that's sound. Let's work on battle cry. This one's really easy. Just really, really easy. I mean, you can probably write it out without even just cry. How do you spell meow? Like that? So, here, let me explain something else. You see the button called with the paper and pencil? That is the script generator. If you click on that, you can generate your own script. But if you click the pencil next to it, it is activate autocomplete, which is a feature used in common scripting languages like Java and C++. So what you do is you just type in the stuff you want, and it'll automatically complete it for you. As you can see, I can just click on MEOWTH, and it'll spell that for me. And that is all to battle cry. The cry will make the Pokemon meow cry. And as you can see, I can add comments, and then the script does indeed compile it, which is very useful indeed. And open it, and that's all. So battle cry is obviously the easiest. I'll save this cry. Save this because I need to upload it on the description anyways. So this is the last one. Playsound. Probably the one that made me want to quit scripting for like forever, because at first I can never get it right, but then I figured out why. Okay, so Playsound. What you want to do is you want to find the sound file you want to play. So let's just use Game Center. Game Center 1. So 0146. Just type in 0146 or 146. You don't need a 0. And then just type in 0x0 for now. And then message at top. You remember this line? Fade defaults. I don't know if I wrote it right. Yeah, okay. So remember this line? We used it in set map tile. Actually, I don't remember if we use it or not. Anyways, what fade default does is it pretty much reverts any changes made within the map back to normal. So the Playsound 146 makes a change in music, right? So then you will play different music. But then when we play a fade default, that'll make the music go back to the original. I will show you how I use it in my script. So Playsound here, as you can, damn it. Okay, so Playsound right here, as you can see, I made the person play the intro song, and then the player said, I don't like this song. So then I used the fade default to make the sound go back to the Palette Town theme. And then I played the Lavender Town music, and then there was no fade default at the end of the script. So Lavender Town kept playing until I exit the map. And fade default just reverts the changes. So you add fade default, we can play another sound. What else do we got? DCTV 15A. And let's just keep that music on. Release at talk. Actually, Normally when you have Playsound, you want to use a message no close. So then, let me change the script. So pause 01A, the song will play for a while before it fades back to default. And then it will have message no close, which means no matter what you do, you can't close the dialog box until you add in a close message. So right here, if you add it before the play sound, close message will register that when A is pressed, the message will close. I'll add the comments so it makes it easier for you guys to see. What was it, Game Center? Oh, you can also use a... No, wait, you can't use that. That's to define a value. Pause the... Play the music. And... Okay, so now it looks... This is what common professional scripters do. This is how the script commonly looks like. You have the script and then you have a chunk of dialogue. Yeah, so then that is all. Compile it, copy, paste, and that is the compiled script. So let me just save this one. Yeah. Okay, so let's save that. And then now we shall try it out in not PKSV. We shall try it out in the game. Alright, so let's try this. Okay, so what just happened was it played all the sounds like really fast. So I believe that was the PC sound, like when you want to get a Pokemon from the computer, right? Okay, so that's the PC sound. And then we have the MEOWTH cry. Faceplayer isn't registering correctly, but you can hear the cry. Oh god, that gets annoying. And then we have this. Oh crap. Hold on. Quickly switch back to PKSV-UI. There's something I forgot to explain. Okay, terribly sorry about that, guys. What I forgot to tell you, whenever you enter a play sound, I don't know if it happens to you, but for me, the value always goes to 0. And when the value goes to 0, no sound will play. So the only way to fix this that I found was to find the music you want again, which was Game Corner 146. In the compiled version, type it twice. And then we have play sound. We wanted TGTV 15A. So I don't know if this happens with you guys, but after I do that with the compiled script and I go back, the script registers the files this time. I'm going to add a message since that one was too quick. but it doesn't. Why does it not work? Okay, fine, screw it, just delete this. Too lazy to figure it out for now. It's like 1 in the morning, which is why I'm talking so quietly. Okay, that seems to work. The values. What was it? Crap. 146 and 158. Okay, so that works. Alright, so save, and now you can go back into the VBA, the ROM. Okay, let's try again. You like this song? Okay, so anyways, that is Playsound, Sound, and waitcry. These are the basic music files and such that are in the Pokemon games that you can try out for yourself. The concept itself is very easy once you figure it out, like the Playsound, that problem. If you can bypass that, then everything else should be a breeze. So that is all. Thank you for watching. I am Ninja Flunkout, and I am a Pokeball.